Okay, hello and welcome to probably the shortest video in this entire lesson. We're just going to talk a little bit about importing. And so what we're going to be importing is the math module. And so we talked about this a little bit earlier in one of the lessons. To get the math module, which is just Python code other people have written to do like common math things you might want to do, is import math. So that's import, which is a keyword in Python, and then the name of the package, which in this case is math. So this math package has a bunch of functions, which we're going to use in a second. But to use a function, you're going to say the module, which in this case is called math, dot, like a little period, and then the name of the function that we wanted to use. Okay, let's see how this works. Okay. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to do is import math. Okay, so now math has been loaded and we can use all of the functions in math. So one thing that we could do is we could say, okay, package dot function. I want to know what the sign of 0.5 is. And Python will very kindly tell me that the sign of 0.5 is this really long decimal that I don't want to read out loud. We can also do things like we might want to take the square root of something. So math.sqrt of 100 is 10. We can also, I don't know if we're working with triangles, we can use math.hypotenuse, or excuse me, hypot. We give it two side lengths, so we'll do 4 and 6. And Python will tell us that the hypotenuse in that triangle would have that length. So remember, if you're ever having trouble with something in a package, so for instance you say, oh, I don't know what this math.pow is, you can always type help, and then the name of the package and the name of the function, and Python will print out all of this useful information, so you can essentially say, oh, well, pow x comma y returns the power, x to the power of y. So if you're ever having trouble and you need a little bit of help, you can always use the help function.